All right, so I'm going to show you how to back up your glitch project. So first, figure out which projects you actually want to keep. Let's say I want to keep this one right here. I click it just to double check what it is. I'll let it load. And okay, let's say yes, I want to keep this one. So what we're going to do is we're going to go back to our dashboard. And within the dashboard, there's now a download button. So I can click download. That should download a TGZ file. Okay, this is the one I had before. I'll delete it just to show you. TGZ file is just like a zip file. It's just compressed. It's the whole project and all the files compressed. So I'll double click it and that will unzip it. Or on Windows, you'll double click it and then drag it out of that folder and into your downloads or wherever you want to save it to. Again, you probably want to name it. So I'm just going to call this like Levi's project or something and put it in there. And within this app folder that was downloaded, there's a bunch of other files. These will include like your HTML, any of the other stuff that came with your project. Now, if this is a project that you just want to save just to back up, that's all you have to do. And you can just put this on your iCloud or whatever, your Google Drive or something. If it's a project that you want to rehost, my recommendation is you go to Netlify. So you can just type in Netlify and find the netlify.com. You can make an account. It's all free. And once you have an account, you'll be on this projects page. You'll click add new project, and you're going to want to use deploy manually. Add new project, deploy manually. And all you should have to do is just drag and drop a whole folder right here, and then it's online. So I can go into this, and I can drag and drop the app folder, not the Levi's project folder, the app folder within Levi's project. I drop it, and I give it a few seconds. It'll upload. It might take a little bit. There might be like some stuff that happens here. This is a small project, so that doesn't happen. And then all I have to do is say open project deploy. This is the new web address of the project. You can change this, by the way. And here's the website. Look, it's fully online. You guys could go to this website right now and it works. You can still edit it just like on Glitch, just by editing it with a text editor or something. If you go to this, where is it? Is it project overview? Yeah, project overview. This is where you can set up like a custom domain or just use the little default one that comes with it, which is this right here. That's the whole process, though. Once you do that, your stuff will be rehosted on Netlify, which again is free and should be around a lot longer than Glitch was. So yeah.